Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm in alarm clock. So if you want to set alarm in alarm clock on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set alarm in alarm clock on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the clock app. Once you open the clock app, select alarm on the navigation. So if you have any alarm available here, then you should see the alarm. And if this is your first time, you just need to click on alarm or click on the plus icon at the top right. Then you should see add alarm. Now go ahead and choose when you want the alarm to ring. So here, let's say I want to set the alarm to 5 a.m. in the morning. So just go ahead and select 5 a.m. Come to repeat alarm and then choose when you want the alarm to repeat itself. All true. Hit the bar button. Then you should see alarm sound. Come here and pick your alarm sound. Now once you pick the alarm sound, turn on snooze if you want to be able to snooze the alarm. And then click on the save button at the top right. Once you hit the save button at the top right, the alarm is going to be saved and it's going to be enabled. You can disable the alarm by turning this off without deleting it and then come back later to turn this on. You see that? So that is basically how to set alarm in alarm clock. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.